Good morning, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Password question number 74. And the instruction to this question says choose the word that is the most suitable to fill the numbered gaps in the passage. So, the passage here, remember that this topic or question is from what we call registers as a topic in English, and other register we have other subtopic, but to this one particularly, this is coming out from what we call transportation, and under transportation we have different types of transportation, and of course this here we are talking about road transportation. So that is where this question is from. And the sentence here says most of the drivers do not have valid driver's dash. Most of the drivers do not have valid driver's dash. A. Document. B. Papers. C. License. D. Particulars. Now, although all these words are drivers and Federal Road Safety Corps terms, so remember that. And not only that, also the VIO also requests for some of these things. Now, I want to talk of particulars. Particulars means documents, so it's the same as the vehicle document, but here we are not talking about vehicles documents. The papers is also the same as the document for the vehicle, but the sentence or the expression here says most of the drivers do not have valid driver's dash. And what is expected of every driver? To drive by the road. For any driver to drive by the road after attending driving school training and the rest of them, it's expected that a driver should get what we call driving or driver's license for Federal Road Safety Corps. So, and that's why the option or the correct option to this expression, to this question, is option C, which is license. So we can say that most of the drivers do not have valid driver's license. So, and once you don't have valid driver's license, you won't be able to, it's expected that you will not be able to drive on the road, irrespective of your experience in driving. So driver's license is very sequential. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.